Below is a very detailed, textbook-level drug study of perphenazine, expanded under each heading. This is suitable for nursing drug study, pharmacology exams, clinical reference, or case discussion. Perphenazine Detailed Drug Monograph. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, perphenazine. Drug class typical, first-generation, antipsychotic, phenothiazine derivative, piperazine subtype. Open quote, piperazine phenothiazines are more potent, have higher EPS risk, and less sedation compared to aliphatic phenothiazines. Close quote. Brand name, Trilofan, most commonly cited. Drug forms, oral tablets, 2 milligrams, 4 milligrams, 8 milligrams, 16 milligrams. Definition. Perphenazine is a potent first-generation antipsychotic medication that acts primarily by blocking dopamine receptors in the central nervous system. It is used mainly for the management of schizophrenia and other psychotic disorders, and secondarily for severe nausea and vomiting. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Primary action, dopamine D2 receptor antagonism. Sites of action and effects, dopamine pathway. Effect, mesolimbic. Hallucinations and delusions, mesocortical, may worsen negative symptoms. Nigrostriatal causes EPS. Tuberoinfundibular, prolactin levels. Secondary receptor effects, weak anticholinergic activity, mild antihistamine, H-M blockade. Alpha-1 adrenergic blockade, orthostatic hypotension. 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, well absorbed from the GI tract. Distribution, widely distributed throughout the body. Crosses, blood-brain barrier, placenta, enters breast milk, highly protein-bound Hash metabolism, extensively metabolized in the liver, involves cytochrome P450 enzymes. Elimination, excreted via urine, bile, feces. Half-life, approximately 8 to 12 hours. Onset of action, sedative effects, within hours, antipsychotic effects, days to weeks. Number 5. Uses. Treatment of schizophrenia, acute and chronic psychosis, control of severe nausea and vomiting, management of agitation related to psychosis. Number 6. Indications. Schizophrenia, primary indication, psychotic disorders with severe behavioral disturbance, refractory nausea and vomiting, acute psychotic episodes. Number 7. Contraindications. Absolute contraindications, hypersensitivity to phenothiazines, coma or severe CNS depression, severe hypotension, bone marrow depression, Parkinson's disease. Relative contraindications, severe hepatic impairment, seizure disorders, cardiovascular disease, dementia-related psychosis, boxed warning. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use extreme caution in patients with history of seizures, cardiac arrhythmias, glaucoma, angle closure, prostatic hypertrophy, chronic constipation, liver disease, elderly patients, risk of EPS, falls, hypotension, history of tardive dyskinesia, exposure to extreme heat or dehydration. How to use. Administer orally. Take at the same time every day. Can be taken with food to reduce GI upset. Swallow tablets whole. Do not discontinue abruptly. Long-term use requires regular monitoring. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults, schizophrenia. Initial dose, 4 to 8 milligrams orally, 2-3 times daily. Maintenance dose, 8 to 64 milligrams per day divided. Severe cases may require higher doses under close supervision. Elderly patients, start low, 2 to 4 milligrams per day, titrate slowly. Severe nausea vomiting, 8 to 16 milligrams per day in divided doses. Nab 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered, skip if close to next dose, never double the dose. Overdose symptoms. Extreme sedation or coma, hypotension, severe EPS, seizures, cardiac arrhythmias, respiratory depression, immediate emergency treatment required. 12. Stop or avoid taking, do not stop suddenly, risk of withdrawal symptoms, rebound psychosis. Avoid alcohol, CNS depressants, prolonged sun exposure, extreme heat, driving until response is known. Number 13. Side effects. Common side effects, drowsiness, dizziness, dry mouth, constipation, blurred vision, weight changes. Extrapyramidal symptoms, EPS, acute dystonia, akathisia, Parkinsonism, tardive dyskinesia, long-term use, endocrine effects, hyperprolactinemia, gynecomastia, galactorrhea, menstrual irregularities. Serious adverse effects, neuroleptic malignant syndrome and MS, QT prolongation, agranulocytosis, severe hypotension. Number 14. Vital information. Black box warning. Increased mortality in elderly patients with dementia-related psychosis. Deaths are often cardiovascular or infectious in nature. Perphenazine is not FDA approved for this indication. Number 15, other drugs will affect. Increased sedation, alcohol, benzodiazepines, opioids, sedative antihistamines, antagonized by levodopa, dopamine agonists, QT prolongation risk, antiarrhythmics, macrolide antibiotics, other antipsychotics, anticholinergic additive effects, anti-Parkinson drugs, tricyclic antidepressants. Number 16, patient teaching, take medication exactly as prescribed, do not stop suddenly, avoid alcohol, rise slowly from sitting lying positions, report immediately. Muscle stiffness, fever, confusion, uncontrolled movements, use sunscreen and protective clothing. Keep regular follow-up appointments. Maintain hydration. Understand long-term risks. 17. Drug comparison, drug generous risk, sedation, special notes. Perphenazine, typical, moderate phenothiazine, haloperidol, typical, very high, low, strong D2 blockade, chlorpromazine, typical, low, high, more anticholinergic, risperidone, atypical, moderate, low, prolactin, olanzapine, atabolic syndrome, quetiapine, atypical, very low, high, preferred in Parkinson's. If you want, I can next convert this into a nursing drug study table, create a one-page exam review, make a case-based explanation, compare typical versus atypical antipsychotic. Thank you. Have a nice day.